Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Momin Hussain, English teacher, Fazul Quran Madrasa, which is located Nangolbondo, Bajar, Bakshoral, Barpara, Bondor, Naranganj. Alhamdulillah, I have been serving as an English teacher for 2 months at Fazul Quran Madrasa. Right now, I'm going to take an interview from my beloved student. So please enjoy it together. Hey, my student, how are you today?
Alhamdulillah, I am fine. What about you, sir?
Alhamdulillah, I'm doing well. Right now, I would like to ask you some question. Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready, sir.
Okay, that's really good job. First of all, tell me, what's your name?
My name is Khalid.
What do you do?
I am a student.
What class do you study?
I read in class 4.
Okay, that's really good job. Alhamdulillah. What's your madrasa name?
My mother's name is Fazil Quran Madrasa.
What's your English teacher's name?
My mother's English teacher name is Momin Hussain.
Okay, that's really great. So, what's your father's name?
My father name is Mujammil Haq.
What's your mother's name?
My mother name is Aisha.
Do you love your madrasa?
Yes, I love my madrasa.
Do you understand my class?
Yes, I understand your class.
Okay, that's really fantastic job. Alhamdulillah. Right now, as you can see, my beloved student performance, although it was very basic conversation with my beloved student Khaled, but inshallah, we will learn together, we will practice together and learn this global language to do something better in our future. Already you know that in today's world, without English, it's almost impossible to do something better in our life. So, if you really want to admit your sons at Fazul Quran Madrasa, admission is going on. Please visit at this madrasa and admit your son without hesitation. Alhamdulillah, Fazul Quran Madrasa teaching environment is really incredible. Alhamdulillah, really fantastic. So you can admit your son or daughter without hesitation to get good opportunity, good study system at Fazul Quran Madrasa. I don't want to make it more longer. See you in the next time.